I'm not the type of person to make any human being look smaller than me. Because I'm a human being too. See? But at the same token, I don't want to allow somebody to do it to me. At the same token, can't allow somebody to do it to me, you get me? So, yeah, when you just, this, you know, say I'm going to direct this to your family. If our family see this, please get her medication or whatever she need or whatever it is. Our family may have to make sure I direct this to. Before this get crazy, take care of it. You see me? With all respect you. Wanna just take care of it, man. You get me? Cause it can't get crazy, you know, man. Just take care of it, man. You get me? Cause I don't have nothing to do with that. You get me, I say? Imagine me and see somebody in over 5 years and this ain't me. Imagine Mother Mary coming in my life, come tell me all of this. Mother Mary, I don't want to say certain. The only way, the only woman will ever breathe without a man touch her name Mary. Oh, we have two Mary in the world. One Mary we have. One fucking Mary. Stop go around Mary thing. Only one Mary. With that being said, we just want someone to just take care of the family, just take care of her, please. You get me? I mean, as we said, I don't want to go too far with it. I don't say too much. But I see it a spiral out of control. I don't like it. Take care of Mary, man. You see me? Make sure say she good. Cause we don't hate her. We just can't bother the fuckery. You get me? I'm gone here, man. Bumbuckler. Cause I don't like what this I got to do to you, I don't know what they love job by that. When you take care of the girl, yo, and stop make you tell the fucker and stop swell up things. Take care of the girl. I want our artists them in the industry. And do the right thing, yeah. Do the right thing. Have a beautiful.
Go live with you know. I should have even go blood clot live with. Hold on, let me see if I can tag footer. Hold on. You never know, say me have the picture with my belly. You never know. Your friend them tell you about, oh, me never did a breed. And a lie, me did a tell. And whatever. You never know, say me have the picture. You never know. The girl them where you fuck. The big woman them where you fuck. We feel like them can use them brain for me. I'm going like me no know what I go and tell you say. I lie me I tell me never did a breed. Oh, your blood clot feel when you see me drop the picture what the your pussy. Me say, me no want buck you foreign, you know. A Jamaica me want buck you. For ring some shot over your head and bust couple shot of your ears and bust your bum buckler ears drum boy. You know who you ramp with? And then hold you and after that blood clot. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here to me. Come here to me. Yeah, I talk about if me bad when me a run for me nah run. My father teach me say never you pursue a man. Me not chase bumbuckler man. And me not do self-praise cause that is no recommendation. My father tell me as a woman, never you pursue a man. You know why me pursue you? Because me see say them blood clot have styrene spirit a control you. Save your pussy. You know how much dopey me fight down a see you for you. Bumble. When me come a see you, me white and pretty. When me left blood clot see you, me black and ugly. No bumbo clot. And me deliberately stay from you. You know, see, every time you come to Jamaica upon your birthday and whatever, you know, see me no look upon you. You no see me no look upon you. This your pussy, you well disciplined. You see, before me fuck you, at 2 years me never fuck. Before me, when me fuck you, at 2 years me never fuck for. That's why my foot could have go up in that ear like chandelier. I go play the blood clot song them for the people them. And make them see say me a sing boy. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away, she have to come back tomorrow. Fling the drawers away, fuck her away, she run like a barrow. Stop tell like I never run. I back up my blood clot, but me back up the blood clot backers pan you. And when you give me the backers, then I turn my face and say, pussy hole. Pussy hole. You forgot in the office? The backers there when me give you? When you get jealous because blood clot, when you get jealous because whether you the name, whether blood automatic them in the office are reason with me. You get jealous and you and boom tick outside a chat beer fuckery a chew a word like blood clot girl and you see me knit up my eyebrows up and you stop chat. And then automatic them go in and you come in at the office and lock the room door. You figure that day there? You figure that fuck there? Behavior. Behave your blood clot self. And don't draw me out. Member, me mad. Member, me have me certificate. Member, me drink the sweet Milo tea. So me fuck up your blood clot and go court. Nothing not going to come out of me. Just a go plead insanity. Pussy. So you better come to me now. Come. Come to me. Come to me now. Come to me. Behave. Here. Alright. Behave your blood clot self. Oh. So me know say you know no sense, you know. You know see all the chat me a chat up my mouth pa my boss no look pa me. Cause him know me a the female version of him. Him know me mad no blood clot. Him prefer to see me. No. The man take the beat to blood clot. Me know you fuck my sister. I gonna beat you on her one time. You never know me beat man too. Hold on. Brother, remember when me start fucking, you know, some wanted man where you never seen in years I carry fruits come at your yard 6 o'clock a morning come give me. You forgot? You forgot, Louis? Come on, man. That make me have to talk some things. Come on, Louis. Behave na Louis, man. So true, you fuck Tasha. You go away?
Yeah.
Alright. Text me when you reach home.
Alright.
And remember what we have to do tomorrow. Oh, boss this for me. So true, you have fuck my sister and the whole I want to plan up to set me up. True, you have fuck my big sister and the whole I want to plan up to set me up and it no blood clot work and me trick on no. Me trick on no blood. I can give her some blood clot lick. I can give her some pussy clot lick, you see? Yeah, man. Oh, do me a favor. Tell the gentleman downstairs say I want him boil some. I want some hot water for put the chamomile in. For put the chamomile tea bag in it. Yeah. Don't bother remind me forget sleep. A lazy people alone sleep, brother. When me ready for sleep, me will sleep. You no love tell people, but hey, we tell you who for go programming a boy. True, you fuck Tasha and feel like me know you fuck my sister. You should have come live. You should have come live, Louis. Kill your daddy are the biggest girlies. Don't fuck you for spite. Fuck you for spite. If me no want your cocky mad me, can't mad me, you know. But if you tell you the truth, you can't fuck. But me sure my sister can't fuck like me. So no care how you fuck her, you have to fuck her and a sing about me. She can't fuck like me. My sister a nerd. My sister a nerd and her mouth stink. You not smell her mouth? Me ask you if you not smell her mouth. Because anytime my sister talking on my face, me smell her mouth. Me know you smell her mouth. You not smell her mouth? Me ask you if you not smell her mouth. You ever smell my mouth, you pussy? The morning when I wake up, I wake you up 6 o'clock. You all sing about that. I wake you up 6 o'clock with a blood clot head. When me buck your blood clot cocky in my throat. You did have to sing about it. You sing about that too. Remember when you are coming and you say, hey, blood clot, girl. The come from straight out of your back. I'm tell you this. Stop singing a song about swallow, because a bad girl no swallow nothing. My stomach too strong for swallow come. Stop singing a your song about swallow and them something. When you sing about me, sing facts. Not sing no fiction. Me never swallow come yet from me start so good. Never. And that will never happen. I might make you come in my face. But me never swallow come yet. The song where you sing we say. She said where you need a freak for. When you already have Lisa. You never know say I'm me at the done when it come on to freakiness. Me I ask you. Which girl you have can ever freaky than me? When I me make me boss sing, freaky girl of them girl let me love. Freaky woman of them girl let me love. Never see nothing when me love so. Anytime me fuck my cocky get soaked. So me circle the go-go club. Me tell you this. When the picture come out with me never did for left Gaza. I wasn't supposed to left because the man done did have damage control and everything. But here what me a done. Me a done. Me hold my own. And the way how me get dark, you know, see me just come out and this every female in the business except ladies and just start beer war. But get here, look on the good way come out, right? For that 2 years, when me come out and this every female except ladies and the angel. When you look, no man no dey on the flyer, them a beer woman book for the show them. You know go like you no want put respect for my blood clot name. You know why me a primo boss? Ladies give me the crown and him give me crown to the blue ear girl. And that's why me a primo blood clot boss. But here what? Me and my boss thing different. You is not my boss. Me know my boss from me a 5 years old. Me no know you from me a blood clot 5. Where you take the bait for? Where you take the blood clot bait for? Why you take the bait? Why you take the bait, Louis? Why you take the bait? Why you go up on your life? Why you never just stay quiet? You notice my boss no go live? Him no go live, him not pay me no mind. You notice him silent? Because him know say when him do that, he just go make me angry more. My boss know me because him groom me. The more him ignore me, the darker me get. My boss know me. Why you take the bait? Because you don't know me. You listen to everybody around you. All of your girls them were all big and decomposed. The big decomposed old girl them. You listen to them. You know what? I'm not this your friend them. Because you have a few friends when me rate. You have a few friends when me rate. So I'm not this your friend them. But some of your friend them in your ears too. And you diss me. Me, diss my boss for you. And you diss me. But you never know when my boss do. My boss orchestrate everything. Cause I tell my boss say I love you, you know. And I tell my boss say you love me. And boss say he love you. And I know what him do. Him just orchestrate fuckery. and put out everything on the internet and you cuss me. Oh, stop call up my name. You take coke. And when you go mention coke to me, I saw me diss your blood clot and ask if you ever see me around you yet. And me tell you, say me wish you. And you take it personal because you know me wish it true. But me never say me with you. Me say me will with you. Me ago and me will are two different something. If me did look for my boss and say, yo, put you know, I mean, you know, say I laugh, him would have laugh over me. I turn that would have turn on my boss. Laugh, him would have laugh over me. Behave your ear. Behave. Behave. Me I go save you. Me nah go no more. Cause you're my husband, you know. And me no want, me not try to make you look small. But how the fuck me I show you love? And me I market you. And me give you so much hit song. What do you I do when you come out and say if you fuck a girl and she not inspire you, I give you 2 hit song. And the amount of blood clot hit song me give you, the 4 fuck, 5 fuck when me give you. You should have buy me a GLE blood clot Benz pussy. And you should have buy me a GLE Benz. The amount of hit song me give you. You know, see, say you never find no hit song till me and my boss start touch back road. But me start fuck by the ex-girl there. Although I saw me breed. But, behave. And hurry up and come to me here. Don't make me have to find you, because I will find you. I know exactly where you are. Don't make me have to hunt you down for your good hood. Don't make me have to hunt you down for your good cocky little boy. Behave here. Hurry up and come to me. Me a wait. Me a wait. Me a wait for you. Me a wait for you, man. Me nah go hurt you. Me nah go hurt you. And you know me love pain. You know me name pain. So nothing what you do to me can't shake me. I just want go on with beer things and then we just fuck after. I forgive you. I forgive you. Forgive you, man. To all me love you till me fool. You fuck up still, you know. You fuck up in a dog. You fuck up in a dog. But me love you, dog. I love you, dog. Because I know you love me. Remember in the office you tell me say you love me. And when you tell me say you love me, I say look on a pussy hole. I come and tell girl boy you love. You take me for idiot. Remember that night in the office? When you look for me in my eye, look me in my eye and tell me say you love me. Say a lie me I tell. If you're bad, come out and say something else. If you're bad, touch back your blood clot life. If you're bad. You run go do song with Vanessa Blinker, you try draw me out, forget me jealous. And when I see the blood clot song, hear me. Watch them 2 idiots, yeah. And one hear me, you see everything with me I don't know? One hear me stay away and talking on my bumbo clap. Bad 21, bad girl cave. And plan my blueprint again. Fuck up this blood clot. Remember, you know, a 2 boss me have now. World Boss and Clive Davis. You don't know who is Clive Davis? I don't say no more too, no. 2 boss me have now, no dead in the show. And remember, I don't need a ghost rider. And you know, when me put pen to paper, it's not safe. Because you watch and you talk. Remember the day when me in the middle? And the bag of crowd there around way. And me nah look pan you, me nah look pan the crowd. Me in my book I write my song then. And you remember where you sit in front of everybody? You saw she write with fear pen. And anybody where you see move, so you know, dangerous, you know. Remember? Me not forget no moment with you, you know. You remember the night when me take away your weed round and done well? And me chat beer fuckery the night, cause kill you there a beer fuckery me and chat, you know. But me did mean every word. You remember that night when I take away your spliff and it, me eye you fuck. And I try beer things. They did mean every word. Remember that night they me carry up on my yard. And about 3 rounds we go. We fuck. When you look the room upside in down. The whole scheme. Hear me? To how you fuck up my hole. Remember that night they me breed? Remember the fuck where you fuck me in my room, me breed when you just come from jail. And you fuck me to the song. Where you do? The reality song where you do. And not even fuck song you fuck me pan. It's like you let go the whole of your pain in my pull out clad pussy. You fuck me over and over upon the song and me breed. And when me breed, me text you and tell you say I'm pregnant. And what you say to me? Me nah no shame me no. Pride nah go kill me, you know. Me I tell the people them the blood clot truth. Remember when me text you and tell you say I'm pregnant, what you say to me? Don't make me block you. And I just bite my lip and say, no man, it's alright. Don't block me. You remember that pa? To how I cherish you and I deal with you like a look a baby dog. Me not even talk patois to you. I speak to you in a proper English. You say, yo, man, you block me. I say, no, don't block me. Everything good. I'm wallet. And you know how me find out I'm pregnant? A footer hype. Me see do one video. Somebody send me a video with footer hype attack and say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. Father God, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Me I watch a video with footer hype and footer hype say, yo, no see Lisa hype belly. And to how me so caught up in a yo, me no realize say me miss me period for 2 months. And so comes me realize say me period no come. Cause to how me happy like Christmas when me there around you, me not have a care in the world. Me no remember say my period no come. And after me done watch that video there with footer hype, me go check my period something up on my phone and look say bumbo clot. At 2 months my period no come. My pussy clot me breed. But due to how me think me could breed. Due to how me think me could breed, me not expect for breed. I remember the night when me carry on my yard. A big bumbo clock box of condom there on my pink dress. I remember me in my room pretty and pink. Me never cap. Pretty face but my attitude stink. In my room well clean and pink. And on my chain alone me full of link. You think it's a joke thing? Alright. The big box of condom on my dresser, you just cut your eye past the condom and force up your blood clot within my hole. But through which part your hood touch, it never been touched before to how your hood big, me feel like that's why me breed. And then me never fuck for 2 years. Where you touch your life for? Where you touch your life for? Don't touch back your life. You hear me I tell you? Behavior. Behave. Behave. Man, I talk to you again. Done with the waste of thing. In half it's great to see. Look how you deal with me. Rough like alligator skin. Me she. Oh, you go like I know me ya sing boss so you. Just behave. It's okay. Love make you do crazy thing. Good pussy. Alright. So how me not afraid to say you cocky and mad be? So how you are going like say, my good old, now make you sing about me. What song you ever sing about me? Talk the truth, you know. Because I will prove it to the people them. How much people over here? Bumble clad 2000 odd. You know what? Hey, you know how long me not get so much people for my life. I saw over here so nice. I saw over here so nice. Yo, Ika, talk to your cousin. Talk to your cousin. Don't draw my tongue. Don't make me go into the Porsche vice. Don't draw my tongue. The blood class you go sing about stop passing him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Tyson, too nice to him. The boy love him better, just poison him. I'm gonna start blood clot problem with me and the man. Eh? Yes, a troublemaker. Yes, a troublemaker, man. But me love you still. Can't hate you in a youth. But behave, because I'm not depend on the playing thing right now. My dark and corrupt right now. I'm not depend on the playing thing, baby. I want some fuck me honey. And I not fuck nobody else but you. I not fuck nobody else but you. I not give away your pussy me and wait upon you. My honey bad for you. You see all the video when I do for you last night? Suppose you see how me and go on in the video like you fuck me for true. My honey for you. Me not buy no dildo. But we play with myself still. But me not buy no dildo. Me not make no man fuck me. Me a wait pan you. Me a wait pan you. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Are you me a wait pan for stop smoke cigarette, you know? Hurry up and come. Member blessing there. Are you me a wait pan for stop smoke? Trying to make me go to rehab. I say no, no, no. Trying to make me go to rehab. I say no, no, no. Trying to make me go to rehab. Your cocky, I'm a rehab. And your cocky, I'm going to be my therapy. Hurry up and come to me and don't blood clot touch back your life. And chat no fuckery. Come go on like you want to make me look like no idiot. Because I not do that to you. All me do is show you love. You diss me already, I'm going to forgive you. And you diss me again. A while ago. And nightly fix me there a while ago, you know. And narrow second, when me done the interview, after me do such a good interview, I big you up and I talk so highly of you. When me look the girl run come show me a dip on live a chat fuckery. You broke my heart a second time. You broke my heart a second time, you know that pa. You know me no give third chances. Remember when my back stung Shana chin? Me did give her 2 chances. And she swear think she never get a third one. You not have a third chance forget. Me no sell balloon. Nobody feel you go get chance after chance after chance. Nobody feel like say me love you. Nobody feel like me love your cocky so much and it a mad me fi true. I just me a be humorous. To how it to fuck sweet, but your cocky not literally a mad me. Remember say I was groomed by the best. Don't overdo yourself now. Remember world boss are the boss. Remember it's just that 2 bull can rule in a 1 pen. So nobody feel like say you have nothing over him. And nothing you have over my boss. I true me the female version of my boss. That's why we not have no future together. But him would long and it curve at the end. Him would no little. And him can fuck. No play with him. Oh, you think you get them bad fuck there? Who you think teach me how to fuck? Them fuck there where you are get. Them fuck there where me give you. Who you think teach me how to do that? Behavior. Behavior bumper rascal self. Here youth. I'm not talk again. You take the bait, you know? You take the fucking bait. You broke me heart a second time. First time you broke me heart, you take the bait. I prove my boss prove to me say you don't love me. More than him. I show my boss show you up, you know. Why you think while when you come to Jamaica a million times and think me a go run come down there like the rest of idiot girl them where you fuck. The whole of your girl them a idiot. Whole of your girl them a idiot. Me nah dyslexia still. The whole of your girl them a idiot. Pussy. And if none of your bitch them bad, make them come see me and violate me. Me show you something. Because me bad anyway in the world where me go. All of your girl them a idiot. So when you are come Jamaica and feel me, I go run come and see you. I see you. All my own. I know me you want. I know me you want run come. And I'm not chase. You know, say me drink my liquor raw. Remember when me come and see you a Campari and Magnum me a drink, you know. Behave. Where you touch your life, where you touch your life, Foot I never warn you. Foot I never warn you. So hold on there. I ask you something. You notice my boss no pay me no mind? And the amount of people call him, I'm sure no say everybody will call my boss. I say, oh boss, she violate. What you think go for do? Whatever. He must say, Lisa, a mad girl. No pay her no mind. Because if a pussy ever touch a straw in my ear, him a come phone. And if a boy ever ramp with him, and me a come phone. You don't realize that when the whole dance all turn upon him one time. I eat bumbo clock man me killing a one song. Have them pamena say you know a bullseye. The yard of them come, the yard of them die. How much of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rapid burst, watch this style. Jamaica, gyal fuck them with dildo. Had the truth and no carry good. A brown in a New Kingston. Say the blind boy have Batman syndrome. If a music you a do, boy sing some. Lowy badness he make you look dumb. Listen to me. When you see me and him, make me talk bad about him. Nobody else not for talk bad about him. Make him rub me. Nobody else not for rub me. Why you take the bait, Dexta? Why you take the blood clot bait? So you fuck my sister? You feel me no say you fuck my sister? But no. I know. I don't feel like a mineral boss tell me. And a mineral boss tell me. I'm spiritually gifted. When I go on my bed and dream, I see things. Very spiritually gifted. You don't even know the wife what you have. You remember the morning when I wake up, because you love bleach. You bleach the night and I never bleach. I get up and I spread the bed. And when I spread the bed, one dopey push me in the bed and I lick up my foot. Who is that? And the dopey push me in the bed, and when I come down there and you see the mark, you say to me, say, what do you foot? And I say, you know, say, when I spread the bed, I lick it up. I not even tell you about no dopey, because I know why you feel like me mad, just like how them try convince you say me mad, and that's why you compress the life, because my sister manipulate you. You make my sister manipulate you, you make your people manipulate you against me, and I think you did smarter than that. I think you did ready for me, dog. I think you could have... I know, dog. Who's off of you, dog? Who's off of you, dog? Come on in, you say, what do my foot? You say, babes, one pair foot. Come now, come deal with it now. You say, babes, one pair foot. And I say, you know, say, when I spread the bed, I lick up my foot in the bed or the bedpost or something. But you did feel like, say, the man when me there with a Stony Hill lift me. Because it look like, say, yeah. The bruise look like, say, a man slap me with a A man slapped me with a gun and something. So the bros did look. So you feel like say the hombre when me deal with from Stony Hill and him is not a normal person either. So hold on there. You feel say if the man they never love me, me carry you a Stony Hill. Me carry you a Stony Hill. You think say you could have reached back and see you? I true the man love me. And the man know say him fuck up. And I say, you fuck up. Me have to show you something. Him know say I use you for get him jealous. Or for end things with him. Because them man they not like people that play with him property. And me did want it done. So me know say from him see me and you, him not go want see me again. And me did want it end with him. Why me carry a Stone Hill? From me carry you a my yard, that man don't come back at my blood clot yard. Cause them man they no mix and mingle. Him a liberal like my father. Them man they no play. You hear that? So nobody feel like I no keke or a joke thing. Me not there with idiot, brother. Me not there with idiot, brother. Me not there with idiot. But me think you did ready. At the second time you go low, you know, brother. Don't go low a third time, you know. Me could just war and fuck it out, you know. Me could just war and fuck it out. So you say my eyelash want fix? Me could just war and fuck it out. What you mean too much man name I call? How much man name I call? Girl go suck your mother. Or come suck me. 3 man name that. The boss Dexta and me not call the man name when me a talk about. But anybody from Stony Hill know the man when me a talk about. What you mean? You mean how much man name I call? And the man when me a talk about I 8 blood clot years me and the man there for. 8 years. Stinking pussy girl. Me don't know with who for flying monkey you are, but lift up off of my life. Yeah. Lift up off of the life, yeah. Decompose old girl. The man when me a talk about 8 years me and him there for. Me can't call him name. Cause the man they come in like Casper. Now you see him, now you don't. Alright, me a go stop. Sandine, me done. Me a go stop. Me a just play some music, you know. Me get my point across. Me a ease him up. But tell him to just come make a war and fuck it out. You no tag him. Tag him and tell him say for hurry up and come. The baby head want water. Remember, you know, are you go stir up trouble what the air, you know, when you go sing, but me start fuck by the ex-girl there. You chat to bumbuckler much, man. Cause you know, make me feel good sexually. And then you say, me chat too much. You think the boss not hear you song them? Think the boss not listen? You think the boss not listen, hombre? Start up by the head, cause you know me feel good sexually. Look here now, look what happened now, look what happened, look what happened now. Right now I hide me and fear hide. A joke. You know what? I don't talk, yeah. I don't talk. We'll play some song. I don't know where you go life. You make stinking mouth, Tasha. I manipulate you. Second time you diss me in a Louis. Caan was star. Like you want my boss laugh off of me. You want my boss laugh off of me? You ask if I laugh.